here we are at the corner of Abington and Parkdale, taking a panoramic view of those kids that are going sledding. Car down there just kind of zoomed by pretty fast for the conditions. Not sure if these conditions on the road will be visible on the camera, but probably, you know, a good 8 to 10 inches at least on the roads. It's okay to walk, but driving will be really, really slippery. You can see we're coming down Parkdale. We'll kind of approach the crest of the hill here soon and look down, but it's been snowing pretty good for a couple hours now. Probably picked up around 1 o'clock after a lull in the snow really this morning, after some overnight snow. It looked like it might not actually turn into anything, but then, as they predicted, it really did come back. So here maybe is an opportunity to get a look down the street at what it looks like. As you can see, it's pretty near whiteout conditions. Perfect for skiing. It'd be a gorgeous day on a mountain. If I had a pair of skis right now, I could go right down this hill.